string tricks. So I want to share these with you. So let's get started. For this we need a yarn and a pair of scissors. First I'm going to show you sun timer. So this thread is too big for the sun timer. So we will just do this. And so now we will have to face our palms down and keep our pointer and your thumb finger towards, like this. And then you will have to turn like this. So you have to get it mainly like this, otherwise you won't get the sun clock. And then turn, sun clock. Okay guys, next we're going to make a broom. So it has to get this shape. So for getting this shape, you will have to keep your thumbs like a thumbs up and then keep it like this. And then you'll have to take your pinky and stretch. So you'll get a shape like this. Guys, you have to get the shape. And now you have to take your pointer and you have this, your palm. You have to take it and then twist 2 times like this. So you'll get a shape like this. So now a pointer and you have this string under this gel thing. So keep it like this. You got this. And now you will leave your pinky and your thumb. So only your pointer will be left. Ta-da! You got your broom. Sweep, 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 sweep. Sweep, 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 sweep. Next one is cup and saucer. So how to do that is the same way we did this thing, we do it again. Thumbs up, stretch your palm and you're done. So for this one, you will not curve, you just take the thing and keep it back. And from under this, you'll take the thing and keep it back. So you get something like this. And now what you do is turn your palms facing your side. Keep your thumbs here, then insert here and pull back. Now we have this thread here. I want you to keep your thumbs under those and pull this thread in front of your thumbs, like this. And now we have to leave your pinkies and we're done. Here is your cup and under that there's a saucer. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.